Hi everyone. So basically our problem statement is clean air for tomorrow, tackling urban air pollution. So our problem statement ID is 2501. Coming up with the vision. What is a vision? So vision is very much simple to reduce the pollution level and improve the quality of life for the people around the world, help the elderly people and students to breathe proper air. All the respiratory diseases which are being caused by the air pollutions, we have to just stop it by creating awareness campaigns and all things. Coming up with the implementation of our idea, we are going to optimize the traffic lights by using AI. We are just going to add a camera based model in which they are going to track the vehicles based on their carbon emissions and other things, and based on that the AI model will tell that which lane is to be cleared and which lane is to be put on hold. This way it will help to reduce the air pollution. It will not only improve the air quality but also will be profitable to the car owners or the vehicle owners, because it will reduce the fuel cost and shorten the time for staying in the traffic. The second implementation plan, we can create an awareness for walking, cycling and carpooling. This way it will help to reduce the air pollution level. Third implementation, we can just create a drive for planting trees and green drives, we can say, or just by awareing the by creating an awareness to the people that they can just plant one tree in their birthday, so that it will create a huge impact if everybody does this. Burning of crop residue, so we can educate them by telling that they could sell them for some of the things, because nowadays with the help of the residue many of the products are being made, so many factories can be also planted, and it can be also a business opportunity to the one who is thinking to start their business. It also helps the farmers to improve the quality of the soil, because if they burn the crop residue, then some part of the soil is also damaged. In that case means the soil becomes less fertile and they have less production at the next time whenever they do the farming. So coming up with the success and sustainability part, so for seeing the success, it's not a one day process, it will take time to happen. We can see a increase in the uses of public transports, cycling, walking and carpooling methods, better dust control at the construction sites. Coming to the sustainability part, awareness based approach is the best approach because it is going to help in the long run. All the plan or implementation ideas which I shared just now will be taking a low cost, or say the traffic model is going to cost one time, but it will reduce the carbon emissions a lot. The farmers idea can be a big means $1 million opportunity also for the business students who want to do their business. They can find the opportunities there also. It will be a low cost and volunteer based for the tree plantation drives and poster making. So it is a low cost method, and if everyone takes an initiative to change this world, then we all can do this. This is Pratik Gorai from IdeaForge, and my team member is Ankit Kumar Singh, signing off. Thank you.